It is a beautiful rainy day here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and my husband and I, who's over there driving, we are on our way to start our whole little Amish experience. Not much of it an experience, mostly the touristy stuff, but we're gonna go check out the Amish handcrafted goods and the architecture and the whole lifestyle thing, and we're only in this area for like 1, maybe 2 days. It depends on how much we want to drive the next few days, but we wanted to at least get a taste of what Amish country is, and I have always wanted to visit this area, so I am so excited. So here we are. We are in a little tiny Amish buggy, and my question for the Amish is, how do you keep your frame so tiny? Because we are not fat anymore and we can't even fit in this thing.
It's cute. It's beautiful.
It is. You know, this has just been like a little Amish museum, but we haven't actually gotten out into the country yet, but the workmanship of everything is phenomenal. Just awesome. Phenomenal.